If you want to make revenue generating applications with AI and automations, this is for you. Hey, my name's Dylan. I build revenue generating applications using AI and automation. I had two different client meetings today. One client was just starting out building out their application. The other one is more at the tailor end. I've been working with him for about a year on his application. What's interesting is that while the applications are slightly different, the phases of building this thing out is the same. I was doing a post-interview exit with one of the clients and asking him what was the real value of working with me. And he said the ability for me to not only deconstruct the idea and bring it into reality, but be able to roll it out through phases to build it out to what the product is today. So phase one is really MVP. The way that you do this is you want to map out what's in someone's head down onto paper using Miro or Lucid Spark or something like that, where you're just trying to flush out their ideas on a paper to get a functional MVP going. So you take that design and then you start to roll that out and figure out what is the most valuable pieces just to get a functionable prototype that they can use. The next phase is feature enhancement. This is where you start to add on additional features to the MVP to be able to make it more robust, because there's going to be a ton of ideas that they're going to have as they roll this out. And your point of really working with them is say, hey, these are amazing ideas. Let's get the MVP phase and let's take all these additional ideas and put them in the queue. So when we do another scope of work, let's roll that out to make it more feature robust. The third phase is multi-user. This is where you have multiple people be able to use the system, whether it's going to be internal for their own team members or a couple of their friends, but you want to have a core group of people that are testing out the product so that you can get external feedback, because no matter what, when you introduce more people to using the application, you're going to get more insights, not only from you and your client, from other people that you just don't think about because they're going to have a different way of looking at it. And the fourth phase is a platform rollout. This is something where they're going to want to add a payment system to it. They're going to want to get it external, not just for the team members, but maybe for their clients. Or they're going to be using it as some sort of white label service that they can then sell to their clients as a bolt-on service. I've seen this a lot with coaches, where coaches first have some sort of unique way of them doing things. And so what we do is we take AI and automation and we bring that into some sort of functional prototype for themselves, right? We then start to add features on top of that. We then give it to team members to be able to use, and then we then roll that out as a paid platform. If you got any questions about this, or if you want to turn your idea into an AI-powered revenue-generating application, hit me up.